All right, we have our quadratic equation. X squared plus 13x plus 10 equals negative 30. Is that in standard form? Nope. So we have to have it equal to 0. So we're going to add 30 to both sides. All right, so then we're going to get x squared plus 13x plus 40 equals 0. All right. So now we're going to factor this. So I'm going to just use a diamond. Two numbers that multiply to give me AC. 1 times 40 is 40. And they add to the B value, which is 13. All right, factors of 40. You got 40 and 1. That's not going to get me to 13, right? I have 2 and 20. That doesn't get me to 13. I have 4 and 10. Close. That gives me 14. I have 5 and 8. 5 times 8 is 40. 5 plus 8 is 13. Bingo. So 5 and 8. So our factored form becomes x plus 5 multiplied by x plus 8 equals 0. Okay, I want you to notice something here right now as we're doing this. Every year I teach this class, when you give an assessment and it says factor an expression, students will start to do this process we're doing right now, zero product property. They just kind of memorize these steps. But that is wrong. When I give you just a quadratic expression, you can factor it only and then you're done. That's what we did the last week's lessons, right? We were just factoring. Now we're using the factoring skill to solve a quadratic equation. So we put in this factored form is equal to 0. So now we can apply zero product property where we go x plus 5 equals 0. Subtract 5 from both sides. X equals negative 5. Right? X plus 8 equals 0. Subtract 8 from both sides. X equals negative 8. So we only go through that process because it's an algebraic equation. Quadratic equation equal to 0. We can go ahead and use zero product property to solve it. If it just said factor the expression, right? We were just given x squared plus 13x plus 40. That was it. No equal sign. Then all you can do is factor and you're done. All right, you got to understand those differences. Okay, so let's check it. Substitute the negative 5 in for x. I get negative 5 squared is positive 25. Plus 13 times negative 5 is negative 65. So 25 plus negative 65, that's negative 40. Negative 40 plus 10, bingo, negative 30. Check. How about negative 8? Negative 8 squared is 64 positive. Plus 8 times negative 13, let's see, negative 104. Okay, so 64 and negative 104 is negative 40. Negative 40 plus 10, negative 30. Check.